Or if it's more than that, just click on other. And then from there, go ahead and break it down. Now, the great part about it is you can invest as little as $1. Okay? Now, a lot of people ask me, can $1 really do anything? And I'm here to tell you, yes, it can. I'm going to show you something right here again. I'm going to go to one of my favorite apps again. I'm going to go back into Stash. And I'm going to show you what the power of little money can get you. All right. So take a look at this. So don't mind the $23. Don't mind the $23. Let's look at blue chips. Okay, this is what I was talking about earlier with blue chips. I invested $8.43, okay, into blue chips. Here's the great part about it. And I'll get technical with this at one point with you in another video. But look, blue chips, look at all the companies I invested into with just one company, one ticker. All right. I invested in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Alphabet, Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan and Chase Company. Okay. All this within one. Now, if you did the math, let me go back to it again. If I take $8.43 times 3.69%, that's how I got $8.74 currently right now. All right. And the more money if I put in there, the more money, you just times it by that 3.69% of how the investment is moving that day, it's going to make a bigger pot for you right there at the top where it's should be above $8.74. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and get down a little. Let's get down a little with it. I invested in $2.87. It's up 7.67% in stocks, which gives me $3.09. All right. Let's look what's an up and coming. Look at this. The investment. It's in China construction, Taiwan, Alibaba. Okay. And I'm not even there. I don't have to actually hire a person. I don't have to fire a person. I don't actually have to take phone calls. I don't have to go through emails. I don't have to fly overseas. I don't have to do any of these things. But always think about it like this. All the pieces of the pie that you own from a company, you own a share of that company, which means you own a piece of that pie of that company. I repeat. So if you want to go and own a piece of Nike, I want to go buy a piece of Nike. Go ahead and go buy your stock then. Go ahead and buy your stock and you got a share of it. Or you got a fraction of a share of it. No matter whatever the piece of that pie is, you own a piece of that Nike. Okay? And the great part about it is they keep you informed on polls and stuff what's going on with the company. So that means stating that if there was a new, this is an example. If there was a new shoe coming out, right, and they was asking about the color or the design, what they'll do is they'll ask their shareholders, okay, they will ask their shareholders on what design looks better, A, B, C, or D. What colors will look good with it? A, B, C, D, or E, or F, or G? And then probably ask you some more information. What should we price it at? And then at that point, they would take that poll, and then little that you know, it'll be in the news, and you was part of that transition to make that happen. All right, and that's just different type of things. All right, so let's scroll down a little bit more. Look at okay. Look, check this out. So happy and medium. I'm gonna go ahead and just click. Look at this one. Now I'm investing in these companies right here, but the biggest thing that I want to show you in happy and medium is I invested $1.22. Currently right now, it's up 14.60%, which means that's why I got $1.40 instead of $1.22. All right. Now here's a big one. Check this out. Okay. Foreign heavyweights. Okay. Look at this. Invest to Sony, Toyota, things of that sort. But again, I don't own the whole piece of pie. I own a fraction of the pie. Now, I invested 81 cents. That's less than $1. Okay, so kids, listen to this. Parents, listen to this. I invested less than $1. Now, on the Greenlight card app, you only can invest $1 and more. I invested because this is a whole nother platform, which is Stash. I'm able to invest change. So I invested 81 cents. It's up right now 43.49%. Okay, so it's up 43.49%, which gives me $1.17 right now. Okay, so by my investment 81 cents, I have $1.17 right now. Okay, so this is how very important how compound works. So again, let me go back. So I didn't mean to get off a topic. It just said something went wrong because I swapped, trickling back and forth. So if I wanted to invest $7, I can click on 7, hit the check mark. All right, now it's saying something went wrong because currently right there, if you look down here at the bottom, it has 0. So I cannot invest anything unless you have something in there. So you have to ask your parents, or as you can see at the beginning of the video, Victor has money inside his savings. He could take money out of his savings and place it inside an investment area. Or like my daughter, she actually has, I think, about $42 or $43 in her checking account. Okay, she can take that money and send some of it to, matter of fact, let's do it with her permission. Hey, sweetheart, do you mind me to actually push at least $7 to your investment account?
Say yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, perfect. She said yes. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back. All right. So I'm gonna start that app back over. All right, perfect. So currently, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and click on. See, she has $42 inside her spending area. Excuse me. If she ever wants to put money inside her savings, she can. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on get started. All right. So remember these questions again. I'm gonna go ahead and already know these questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause. I'm gonna go through it and then we'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right. Awesome. So now I'm inside of Mahala's account. Okay. So currently right now, remember she had $42 or $43 inside of her account. So we're going to move some of that money into it. So we're going to go ahead and click on move in. All right. So I don't want to do $7. I don't want to do $10. I don't want to do 20. I don't want to do 50. I want to click on other. All right. And from the other, I want to go ahead and click on $7. Okay. And from there, I want to move money. Okay, so great part about it. Now here's the great part about it. If I stop right here, if I want to move the money straight out of my wallet, it states right here, your parents' wallet, 0 balance. Needs $7 more to fund this request. Okay, so then you can actually push money from your bank account into the account, or I can click on don't transfer. All right, and she can personally put her money inside of it.